I had a really close relationship with the late king growing up. But once you grow up to be over 21, then responsibilities come in, they kick in, and you kind of like want to avoid him. Because the moment you meet with them, it's more work, and more responsibilities. But coming back to boxing, it was basically the old king, and I was very fortunate to go to a boxing school in Durban.
Oh,
It's closed down now, and it was and the two world champions that used to go to that school that I went to was Brian Mitchell and Brian Baronet.
wow,
Yes, they went to Phoenix in Durban. It used to be Phoenix School, the name of the school, like this Sphinx, rising from the ashes.
Correct,
Yes.
Bayete.
And I'm telling you, I don't know something about that school, but we used to do more boxing than going to class.
Bayete.
There was a boxing fight every day.
And you were in the fight, but
We all had to do sparring and all that. That is why I respect boxing so much. I respect boxing because I know the training that goes through there. I know what it's like to be in the ring, and to meet somebody like Mayweather is, for me, it was. I was actually meeting him for the second time. I'd met him before in Jacksonville, Florida, at the Super Bowl.
Oh,
Yes, because I went to school in the States for about 10. I was there in America for 10 years. So the Super Bowl is American culture. So, and it's like the biggest event of the year. And I was very privileged to be invited to one of Pit Diddy's parties.
Oh, Bayete, I think Chai hard.
Yeah.
I
I actually brought P Diddy that day because he had invited me to his gig. I actually brought him a lion made out of African jade. It's a very special stone that you only find in Congo.
Oh,
Yeah, it was a lion made out of African jade, and I was happy to see that lion on the movie Empire because it was the way offices and I told my wife we were watching the Empire one time. I said to her, "Oh, that's the gift that I still got." And that's where I met Sugar Ray Mayweather and a couple other boxers also, Roy Jones Jr. It was quite interesting, and I've got such a passion for boxing, and I love the way boxing is being promoted in East London, in Mpangeni.